Welcome to Unit 2.3 practice sheet. Again, I will work the odds. Hopefully you're working ahead of me so that you can learn how to do it and check your work. You will work the evens, yes, all of them. There's 5 problems. You should be all right. Show your work so that if you don't understand, I can figure out where you're making a mistake and we can correct it. All right? So distribute is our first step. So 2n plus 4 equals 4n plus 1 minus 2n. This one already looks all kind of weird. Combine your like terms. 2n plus 4 equals 2n plus 1. No, it's not. No solution. You should have got no solution. You probably ended up with 4 equals 1, which is just not true. It's just not true. Alright, 3, 2x plus 8 equals 4x plus 3 minus 2x plus 5. Combine your like terms. 2x plus 8 equals 2x plus 8. Oh, interesting, right? 4 minus 2x is 2x. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2x plus 8 equals 2x plus 8. Yes, it does. Infinite, right? Infinite solutions. You should have got infinite for number 3. 5. No parentheses. Combine like terms. 3a minus 6a is negative 3a plus 2 equals 8a minus 5a is 3a plus 20. Uh-oh. Interesting. All right. Let's get our variables on the same side. So we have negative 6a plus 2 equals 20. Get rid of our constant. Get rid of our coefficient. And because this is math, if you're ever unsure, you could go back and plug it in and find out. We're saying a is negative 3. Let's find out if that's right. Pick one. It doesn't matter. So we're saying that 3 times negative 3 minus 6 times negative 3 plus 2 has to equal 8 times negative 3 plus 20 minus 5 times negative 3. We're saying that the left side has to equal the right side, and that to make that true, a has to be negative 3. So negative 9 plus 18 plus 2, so that's 9 plus 2, so 11. Negative 24 plus 20 plus 15, so 24, negative 4 plus 15 equals 11. So this means our answer is correct. You can always plug it back in, substitute the value back in, and double check your work. I don't understand why you wouldn't. Always double check your work. It's your opportunity to prove you're right. Move the variable left. 8 minus 12, no, 6 and 4 is 10. 8 minus 10m equals 48. Get rid of the constant. Negative 10m equals 40. Get rid of the coefficient. M equals negative 4. You should have got m equals negative 4. Right? Just because it has a fraction, don't panic, especially if it's 1/2. Because when you're multiplying by a half, all you're looking for is half of that number, right? So 4y equals 38 minus half of 4 minus half of 16. When you distribute 1/2, you're just looking for 1/2. Half of that number. Half of 4 and half of 16. Combine your like terms. 4y equals 30 minus 2y. Move your variables left. 6y equals 30. Get rid of your coefficient. Y should equal 5. And again, you can always go back and check and make sure you're right. And that's what you should do over here. I'm not going to require it because those of you who have realized that you can get an A in this class by doing your work simply and quickly, you probably will do it just to make sure you have the right answers. Alright, so finish the even, make sure you show your work, don't forget about the quizzes, and when you're ready, take the mastery check.